Transform your presentation creation from time-consuming chore to creative triumph with Tome AI. First, head over to Tome. It's incredibly intuitive, allowing you to dive right in by signing up with your Google or Microsoft account. Now for the magic, simply tell Tome what you want your presentation to be about. Be descriptive. Think about your topic, your audience, and key points you want to cover. Tome will then generate a foundational draft for you in seconds. Watch as Tome AI intelligently crafts a narrative and designs visually stunning slides, complete with relevant imagery and well-structured text. It's like having a design and content assistant at your fingertips. Once your draft is ready, you're in full control. Click on any text or image to edit, refine, and personalize the content. Adapt the AI suggestions to perfectly match your message and brand. Need a different image? Tome offers a vast library or allows you to upload your own. Want to rephrase a sentence? Simply click and type. The entire process is designed for speed and flexibility. When you're happy with your creation, hit present. Tome delivers a smooth, engaging presentation experience, letting your ideas shine without the usual design headaches. For busy professionals, Tome AI is a game changer, streamlining your workflow and ensuring your presentations are always impactful. Get started with Tome today and experience the future of presentation creation.